Jai Hind everyone. Welcome in Sakil sir class. The rain on the roof. First about the poet. Courts Kinney was a lawyer, politician, journalist, and poet from the US. Kinney caught an inspiration one night while trying to sleep in old college dormitory, and they put on paper this beautiful bit of verse, The Rain on the Roof. This poem made Kinney famous. He began traveling and is on the journey aid. Kinney has written very little poetry and no great amount of prose. Yet several of his production is still live. He lived in an elegant residence and lived well. He is described as a keen and witty in conversation and quite agreeable, and he died in Ohio. Central idea of the poem. The poet exhibits that the rain brings the poet maximum happiness. When it is lost in a dream, in so many fancies go on revolving in his mind. He loves the pattering of the soft rain on the roof. Theme of the poem. The presented poem, Rain on the Roof, reveals the healing power of the natural rains, especially when it is heard from a cozy bed in a lovely cottage. In first stanza of the poem, tells that it is pleasing to lie on the bed in a cottage and listening to pitter patter sound on a rainy night. In this second, in the second, he twinkles of the rain brings dreamy fancies with the bright hues of the recollection. In third, the fondest memory of his mother is tripped before him in all her gentle loveliness by the pattern of the rain. Now we will go by one stanza. Poet is describing a dark, rainy night. Two humid shadows are appearing over the stars. Here, the clouds have been described as humid shadows. There is a sad darkness around. The rain is describing an emotion as it looks like tears falling softly from the human eyes. The feeling of living while pressing pillow and listening the sound of raindrops falling on rooftop is awesome, and as explained by poet. In a second stanza, every drop of water on the rooftop has an echo in heart of poet. It starts a thousand dreams in her thousand recollection of previous memories is coming in mind of the poet. The memories are wearing like air thread in poet's mind when he is listening to the sound of rainwater. In third stanza, mother comes in the memory of the poet minds. He remembers how many years ago in his childhood his mother used to look down at him and his sibling as they were sleeping and having pleasant dreams. His mother would bend down and watch over him in particular. These memories are evoked as the listens to the repetitive rhythm of the raindrop as they are falling on his robe. Dear student, please focus on one by one stanza. Their figure of speech are used. Please focus on the poet expresses his feeling when he hears the raindrop falling on the roof on his house. Poet says that every twinkle of the singles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears raindrops falling on the rooftop, its sound repeat in his heart and in his dreams. Further, he has many different and fantastic imagination. Also, the falling drop of rain on the rooftops created many new different dreams in his mind. For instance, he recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as dream. Hence, he listened to patter of the pain upon the roof. He has many new dreams in his mind and his memories. And he has many new dreams in his mind and his memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. In the last stanza, the poet introduces his mother and says that he is dreaming of his mother, and as he in previous stanza, that rain brings memories of the past. They They were the memory of his mother, who is no longer alive. Long ago, his mother uses to love him a lot, and she uses to consider him a darling also. She would let him sleep until daybreak and have sweet dreams as he listened to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of the room. He feels that his mother uh, is looking at him. Moreover, the sound of rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That's the reason he was so moved by the sound of the raindrops on the singles of his rooms. every times he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past as he reminds of his mother. Dear student, stanza first, second, third, fourth, there are great importance of the figure of his speech are given, and we don't have book. That's why there is a regretting point for all, for us also. So I hope it is clear. Listen twice or thrice as you can, and after that, be ready to answer. Thank you, and Jai Hind. Bye.